Hi, I'm Amber. I'm a student at UWTSD. I study sport and exercise science and I'm in my first year. I'm really enjoying the practical side of the course through learning through kinesiology as well as the personal training aspect, where I get to get my vocational qualifications such as my level 2 gym instructor and my level 3 personal trainer award, which really set me up for careers even in my first year. Through the university and CrossFit, I've been able to get some vocational experience working with different age groups, learning how to coach kids classes, fitness classes, as well as some S&C with a local rugby team who come here to do their S&C once a week. So it's really built my confidence in teaching a variety of age groups. Yeah, it's been amazing. I wouldn't expect to have done this in my first year, so I'm loving life.